Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Altasia and you can call me Adele. My study number is 19311057. And now I will explain about British. The first is the geography of Britain. The second, the climate in the UK. The next, the British system of government. The British character and family value, and the last is class in Britain. Okay, the first is the geography of Britain. The UK is situated northwest of the European continent between the Atlantic Ocean and the North Sea. It has a total land area of 244 square kilometers, of which nearly 99% is land. The remaining inland water from north to south. It is about 1,100 kilometers long. An official home of the UK is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Next, we move to the climate in the UK. The overall climate in England is called temperate maritime. This means that it's mild with temperatures not much lower than 0 degrees centigrade in summer. It also means that it is damp and is subject to frequent change. And next we move to the British system of government. The first is Parliament. Parliament decide the laws, make decision on running the UK. Some issues in Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland are now dealt with by their respective parliament and assemblies. There has been a parliament at Westminster the 30th century. The second is the UK government is normally formed by the leader of the party that wins the most seats in the general election. All action by the government, and particularly its proposal to amend or create laws, are scrutinized within Parliament. Next, we move to British character and family value. The family in England is changing. The once typical British family, headed by two parents, has undergone substantial change during the 20th century. In the past, people got married and stayed married. Divorce was very difficult, expensive, and took a long time. Today, people's view on marriage are changing. Married couples, mostly in their 20s or 30s, live together or cohabit without getting married. And next, we move to class in Britain. What is class? Sociologists define social class as the grouping of people by occupation. Doctor and lawyer and university teacher are given more status than unskilled laborers. The different positions represent different level of power, influence, and money. The British society has often been considered to be divided into three main groups of class. And the first, there is the upper class. Often people with inherited wealth include some of the oldest families, with many of them being little aristocrats. The second is the middle class. The majority of the population of Britain, they include industrialists, professionals, business people, shop and owners. The last is lower of working class. People who are agricultural, mine and factory workers. Okay, that's all for me. I hope you enjoy with my video. Thank you for your attention. More or less I say sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.